how you can change the effort in Claude app. So all you're gonna have to do is to open your Claude AI, and the effort can be changed in Cloud Code. So once you are here in your Pro plan, on the left go to Code section, and here it's gonna open the Cloud Code app. You can download it to your computer. I got it already downloaded here, and all you're gonna have to do is just go to Code section, and down here in this area is the model. Right now it's on Sonnet, and if you click here, you can see here the effort. So you can choose from high to low. You can change the effort also in your terminal. So I'm gonna open my terminal, make sure that Claude is already installed here. Type here Claude to run Claude in your terminal, and just type here /effort, and there are these levels of the effort. So in the app are only 3 levels, and here are low, medium, high, X high, and max. So 5 levels, and you can navigate here with arrow key and choose the one which you want. On the left is speed and low effort, and on the right is intelligence and it's slower. So if you have any questions, make sure to comment, also make sure to subscribe, and see you next time.